Namaste and hi everyone, I am Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe. So today I am going to share 5 amazing 2 ingredient DIY hair masks with you all for your all hair concerns and for all hair types. I absolutely love them guys. I often use these masks according to my hair concerns and obviously my mood. Along with DIY recipes, I'll also share benefits of each and every ingredient that I'll be using in for making these masks. It will help you all to choose the right one for yourself. But before getting into the video, I'll request you all to like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Do comment for your suggestions and response below. Also follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Insta handle somewhere on the screen. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, I won't be able to show you the application of all masks as it is not possible to show you at the same time. But don't worry, I'll guide you properly so that you can understand the application of all these masks. The application is super easy guys, nothing rocket science. So to understand this, we will instantly dive into the video.
So our first mask is yogurt and castor oil mask.
Yogurt is full of protein which nourishes your hair. It helps to grow while keeping it healthy and smooth. It also has lactic acid which is great for your scalp cleansing. So what is lactic acid guys? Basically lactic acid is a AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid, which is mostly found in sour milk or milk products. It helps to smoothen your hair and makes it more manageable. Second ingredient in this mask is castor oil. It is best for your hair growth as it contains some amazing acids which helps to increase your blood circulation and boosts your hair growth. It makes your hair thick naturally and also controls hair loss.
Take 5 spoons of yogurt, 1 spoon of castor oil, mix it together well and apply it on your hair and scalp. Keep it for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it off with water. You can use this mask twice a week. Now our second mask is fenugreek and honey mask.
Fenugreek controls hair loss and replenishes your hair. It makes your hair smooth and shiny. It is high in antioxidant and works as a natural conditioner for your hair. It detangles your hair after every wash. It also prevents dandruff and scalp irritation. Our second ingredient is honey. It reduces hair breakage and hair loss. It keeps your hair strong, smooth and healthy. It is high in antioxidant and has antibacterial properties too. It boosts your hair growth and prevents your hair from red and itchy scalp.
Take 2 spoons of fenugreek seeds soaked overnight, grind it and make a paste. Add 2 spoons of honey to it and apply it onto your scalp and hair. Leave this mask for 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off with water. You can use this mask once a week. So our third mask is egg and honey mask.
Egg. Oh my god. Egg has too many benefits. Now we'll see how. Basically, superfood for your hair due to its unique combinations of vitamins, biotin and folate which helps in hair growth. It moisturizes dry hair and prevents hair fall. Whereas egg white gently removes excess oil from your scalp. It repairs hair damage, fights dandruff and strengthens your hair. It also nourishes your hair and gives your hair a nice volume. So the second ingredient is honey. I have already told you the benefits of honey in the previous mask, so you can go and refer from there.
Take 1 egg, 2 spoons of honey, mix it together well and apply it on your scalp and hair. Keep this mask for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with water. You can use this mask once or twice a week. Now our fourth mask is onion and aloe vera mask.
Onion makes your hair strong and stiff as it provides extra sulfur to your hair. It prevents hair loss and help in hair growth. It also helps to promote collagen production in our hair. Collagen is basically a structural protein which is found in our skin and tissues. whereas aloe vera promotes hair growth and prevents itchy scalp. It reduces dandruff, redness and inflammation while keeping it calm. It is a natural conditioner which makes your hair smooth and shiny.
Take 4 spoons of aloe vera gel, 4 spoons of onion juice, mix it together well and apply it on your scalp and hair. Now leave this mask for 20 to 30 minutes like other masks and then rinse it off with water. You can use this mask once a week. Now our last mask is banana and lemon mask.
Banana is rich in potassium, carbohydrates and vitamins which keeps your hair healthy. It moisturizes your scalp and makes your hair smooth. It prevents split ends and breakage and also controls dandruff. Our second ingredient is lemon. It is a citrus fruit which is not only good for your hair but for your body and skin. The acid in it helps to get rid of many hair problems. It reduces oil from your scalp and prevents dandruff. It is high in antioxidant which is good for your hair and also it makes your hair smooth.
Take 1 banana, half a lemon, mix it together well and apply it on your scalp and hair. Even keep this for 20 minutes and rinse it off with water. You can use this mask once a week.
All the masks are suitable for all hair types. You can choose and switch between them according to your hair concerns and issues. I love all of them guys, but the most I use is fenugreek mask and onion mask. But trust me guys, they all come to my rescue every time. There's one more thing I would like to add, and that is rinse your hair with rice water at least once a week. It contains amino acid which regenerates your hair and improves hair growth. It also increases shine and reduces split ends. It strengthens your hair roots and hydrates your scalp. So what you can do is just wash your hair with rice water at the end of your hair wash. So guys, do try these masks and comment down below the results. I will love to hear from you all. I hope you liked this video and was useful for you. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and also follow me on Instagram. My ID is randomgirl_blog with double G at the end. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.